Hey, welcome back, guys. Our doctor has given me a very interesting, very simple activity. I have to raise one finger at one time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No. Comes and goes nearly. No. I need to work on my fingers, make them a little flexible. You try it. Do send me your videos, though. Let's see if we can do it. Guys, slice it, eat it, maybe put in a dessert. That's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna make a really nice orange creme brulee, chocolate soil, and glazed brulee orange. आज का superfood eggs है. So we'll start off with our eggs. In goes the sugar. Now we're gonna cream it. This looks really nice. In goes the cream. Orange zest, the best, the most flavorful, the prettiest looking part of this fruit, and keep stirring the bottom. You don't want the cream to stick, okay? You're gonna have to start again then. There's no going back from it. This seems fairly hot. I'm gonna turn off the gas now. Go in with the cream in the eggs mix. And I'm gonna stop right there. Okay, now the eggs are a little warm, so they're gonna go into the warm cream. This way, it won't scramble and we'll have the perfect brulee every time. Very slow. Keep going. Add a little and keep stirring. This is just starting to come together, so I'm gonna add the vanilla pod now. You know what else vanilla pod tastes like? Bananas. That's the flavor. I'm gonna scrape this pod in half. I'm not gonna go all the way at the bottom. Try and open it very carefully. Spend time, don't rush it. There we go. And with the back of the knife, I'm just gonna scrape it off. I just check with the spatula. If all the liquid falls down from the spatula, it's not ready. If it coats it, it's done. Then you can pour it in your mold. Guys, you want to cook it at a very low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. If you want to rush it, then you'll probably have a good batch of very tasty scrambled eggs. Wow, this looks pretty done, guys. Guys, training is always a good idea because I do not want to bite into a bitter orange zest. I've got some warm water with me now. You want to fill it up just slightly under the half. Guys, this is nearly done. I am so goddamn excited. I'm going to put this in the oven at 120 for about 18 minutes. Now, we have very pretty, nicely glazed, damn tasty, super creamy orange creme brulee, which I'm gonna plate now. So guys, this brulee is gonna come out of the mold, sit on a nice, pretty looking plate, add some fresh oranges to this. Because like I told you earlier, orange is one of my favorite fruits, huh? A little sugar, just to get that perfect burn. A little more sugar on the oranges. Just a nice quick brulee. There we go. Guys, this brulee is a very old school, classic French technique of making a custard. There is more than enough chocolate in the world, but it's never enough on my plate, so I'm gonna add loads of it now. This beautiful dessert is such a good stress buster. Go have a look at the recap, make all the notes, and come back soon.